Welcome to Carlisle Audi. My name's Taylor and today I can't wait to walk you around this brand new Audi A1 Black Edition Sportback that we do have in stock. As you can see, this car comes in the super eye-catching Python yellow paint finish, which looks absolutely amazing on the Black Edition model if I do say so myself. It does come fitted with the front LED headlights, which do use a top-of-the-range LED technology to light the road. And it does come fitted with these beautiful 18-inch 7-spoke rotor design alloy wheels finished in gloss anthracite black. It does come with the contrast roof and the black styling pack, which does highlight key features of the car in black, which really stand out against the Python yellow. You do also have the privacy glass to the rear and rear side windows, and these are all features that do just add to the overall sporty look of this A1. It does come fitted with a 1-litre petrol engine, and at the back you do have the dynamic rear indicators, which are a really eye-catching feature to have and you'll definitely love. Even though this is a smaller Audi, it does still come with a really nice amount of boot space in the back, which is perfect for storing any personal belongings on any journeys. You do also have a nice amount of space underneath the boot floor, with the boot floor which can be propped up using these side holders. It does make it super convenient if you do have your hands full. The boot floor can also be lowered to create even more depth, just in case you do need to store any larger items such as bigger suitcases, and it does just mean that you can carry anything that you do need. The boot lid does just manually open and close, and this A1 Black Edition does give off 110 PS, and does come fitted with the rear parking sensors, which are perfect for helping you squeeze into any of those tighter spaces. Taking a look at the interior, you do have the sporty flat bottom, 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel, followed by the super comfortable front sport seats, which do come finished with the S embossed logo. You do also have the same upholstery followed into the rear, which is the part cloth and part leather. On the inside of the driver door, you do have the controls for the folding and heating door mirrors and the electric windows. And taking a closer look at the interior, you do have the 10.25-inch digital display, followed by both the multifunctional steering wheel controls and cruise control for any of those longer journeys or motorway drives. You do have all of your menu controls, and then you do have your volume, telephone and voice activation controls as well. You can use your menu controls to flick through a whole range of different settings, from any driver data to even your radio channels. In the centre console, you do have your fully touchscreen Audi multimedia interface, which does add to the overall modern look of the interior. You do have Audi Drive Select, where you can choose from a whole range of different drive modes, and even go into individual, where you can change the drive system and steering to your preference. You do have your telephone and media settings, which do allow you to connect your mobile phone to make any hands-free phone calls or play any music. And you do have your Audi smartphone interface, which does allow you to view a whole different screen. You do have your DAB digital radio channels where your favourites can be stored as well, followed by your manual air conditioning, which is located underneath your MMI and does allow you to set the temperature of the whole vehicle. You do also have another set of controls where you can access Audi Drive Select easily and quickly. This A1 does come fitted with the Tronic gearbox, and you do also have your volume controls and your manual parking brake as well. So if you'd like any more information on this absolutely stunning Audi A1, give us a call on 01228 371 516 and someone from our team will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.